Welcome back. This is a short introduction to a new playlist on applied time series analysis. If you're totally new to data science, data analysis, I strongly recommend that you first watch the playlist on data science using Stata, which is a beginner-friendly guide. I expect to produce round about 30 videos, I think. And as always, all the content, so all the data, the codes, everything will be available on GitHub. I will also do a few live streams where we just do some more hands-on work and have some fun with time series modeling. If you want to provide any feedback, the easiest thing is just to leave a comment below. And if you like what you see, of course, as always, you're more than welcome to join us and to experience the joy of data analysis. I'm on Twitter. I'm not massively active, but mostly focused on some data nerd stuff. You can contact me there. You can also contact me on Facebook. You'll find all the links, also the links to GitHub on the YouTube channel website. My focus is very much on applications, so it's not very academic, to be honest. The main purpose of what we do here is all about forecasting. So I will start with deterministic time series analysis. We talk about stochastic trends, and then we move into the classic topic of ARIMA models and seasonality, followed by intervention analysis. And then we go into my favorite area, vector autoregression. So here we move into multivariate time series modeling, where several time series interact, and you get a very different perspective on causal relationships and in particular causal order. Then we move into Cointegration vector error correction models, and then finally we do conditional volatility forecasting. So this is all about arch-gauge models, very successful, very relevant in particular in finance. And of course, as always, structural breaks are lurking everywhere, so it's quite annoying. You have a nice model, finally you can do some forecasting, and then of course things just change and a structural break occurs. So we have to talk about this. We finish off with panel vector autoregression and co-integration. So you see it's full packed flavor, fun around time series modeling. The only thing which we don't really cover here is the frequency domain, so the stuff you see a lot in the signal processing literature. I won't cover it here, but I might do it in future, so stay tuned, be excited, and enjoy time series modeling.